Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add a header module with Beaver Builder. So what we're going to do is go to pages or post and choose the place where you wish to add that header module. So we will basically pick one page that we wish to edit, and when we are editing it, we need to open it through Beaver launcher, or you can say launch with Beaver Builder. So click on that button, launch Beaver Builder, and once it loads the Beaver Builder, what we will do is we will basically drop from the modules and we will edit our header. So currently I have one of the module already. Okay, so this is content row that I wish to delete first before we can move with the example. Okay, so let me load this. Now I can delete that, and from modules I'm gonna simply check for header module. So let's check it within sidebar tabs, posts. Okay, so we can search for as well. Okay, so this is the heading module. Okay, so this is a module that I was calling header actually, but it is heading module. So I'm simply going to drop it on page. Now here you see you can choose heading H2, H1, H3 up to H6. So let's go with H2 and let's say Helpfolder YouTube for Beaver Builder. Okay, now I can add link to it and set it to no follow or new window. Similarly, I can also add some sort of color to it. So let's say if this purple color is what I want, I can also select the font. So I have plenty of fonts to choose from. Okay, for example, I can even choose from the Google fonts. So let's go with something classy, so Allura. Okay, but it's not much visible, so let's move to different. Okay, so this one looks cool. Now I can add weight as normal. I can choose the size as, let's say, 32. Okay, I can choose text shadow if I want, and I can pick the color. Okay, a little bit of reddish, and finally I can align to center, right, and save it. And then you will find your font that looks something like this. Now you can click on done, publish, and this is your final layout. So you can see how to make use of heading module for your header or for landing pages. You can use this module.